Have you been having a big time today, Red Mule? Alright, y'all, I got a Vivo feed grinder. I just put it together, and there's one piece. It didn't come with an instruction manual. It came with part numbers, no instruction manual. There's one piece I couldn't find out. I can't figure it out where it goes. It's this little thing right here. But me and Micah's got some corn. We're gonna try it, see if it may fly all to pieces where it, I don't know where the piece goes, but I have to admit I'm very excited to see what happens here. Let me scoot it back just a hair.
Yeah, Buck will fall off once it, there you go.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it on. Move my slider. I guess, guys, this right here would be what you would consider fine coarse. It's not cracked corn. Look, them hogs will love that. I say we do it all that way.
How you turn it on?
There's an on switch right here. And see this little slider right here that blocks off the feed? You turn it on. Seems to be hung up. I'm gonna empty that back in the thing and we'll see what's going on. Alright guys, I guess that you don't need to take that out all the way. Probably just leave it open a little. But I took and loosened it up where it would make cracked corn, and it just turned right back on.
Cracked corn, that's what I'm gonna use for my bandies.
Cracked corn?
The cracked corn. With some of them
hogs,
oyster shells.
I bet them hogs would love this stuff right here.
Give me cracked corn. Can you eat corn?
I guess.
Let me try it.
I ain't never heard nobody dying from eating it or nothing.
Let me try it.
If you big mouth.
It's actually good.
It tastes like corn.
No, try it.
Alright. I'm going to put a handful or two in here. We've almost got we're at a half a bucket. We've almost got a full bucket. All right, let's see. I'm gonna tighten it up some. I don't care for it being like lightly cracked. That's about right.
That is cool.
Yeah, guys, I can't wait to try this with the pigs. I believe they're gonna like this a lot. I'll have to mix supplement in with it because it's just corn, but I don't. If you know what this little piece is I was showing you, please write in the comments what it is and where it goes. It's just like a little flat bar or something tiny, but it seems to work pretty good.
Reckon we can mix me up some banny feed?
Well, you can use this for banny feed.
We can, I'd like to mix some oyster shells and all with it. Don't that feel cool?
That is cool. It's gonna save, hopefully it'll save us money. I can get corn relatively cheap at the Amish.
Yeah.
And all I have to do is buy some rye, and I've already got supplement, and this may save me a lot of money. I know one thing, a man needs to quit. We're gonna have rats everywhere. We've been doing that. Man needs to tie a sock or something right here with like zip ties. That way dust don't go everywhere. But if you know what this is, please comment down below where it goes in this thing, because it did not come with an instruction manual. I just looked at it and looked at the picture of it on the thing and went from there. But heck, it seems to have worked real good. Alright guys, I had to see what they think about this feed. I couldn't stand it. Micah's in there petting Malcolm. Let me give him some feed. Alright y'all, let's see what he thinks about it. I've already fed him, but I can't help it. I've got to know if Malcolm approves this message. Oh my. I think he likes it. I think Malcolm loves it. He likes that. What do you think about it? He said it'll suffice. Alright. Gals, let's see what you think about this corn on the ground. Go ahead. Y'all have to excuse Micah, he don't pay attention. There they go. I've already fed them this morning and this evening, and I shouldn't be feeding them, but I had to test it. And they seem like they like it. I guess what I'll do is I'll mix it in. If I've got room, I'm gonna mix it in my pig and sow grower. I'm not so sure if I do. Yep. Look how fine that ground that. Look guys, that done a great job. Something I've been doing is I've mixed bleach in this sprayer, and I just take, before I go in the pens every time, I just spray the bottom of my shoes, because I've got chickens over there and I don't want to track anything over here to them. But the pigs seem to like it. Look, I mean, they're just sitting there like little pigs. I bet they don't know what to think. It's the third time I've fed them today. Look how fat they're getting, guys. Let's go see what Malcolm's doing. He's growing, ain't he? He's gonna be a dinosaur, ain't no doubt. Can't you see Malcolm's dinosaur? He's a little nervous where there's two of us in here. Scratch his shoulders. He's growing. He's wanting to bite your butt for you, doing.
He ain't going to.
He said, let me back in my feed, boys. That's good stuff, ain't it,
Gosh,
son?
he's devouring it.
Is he? He likes it?
He's taking his tongue and sticking. He's taking
I
his...
noticed that. He'll take his time and go, like, bah, 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 bah.
Yeah, stick it.
Yeah. He likes being scratched, like on the belly, in between the belly and the armpit. Down low. Right on his belly is where he's sensitive. He said, oh God. That's it. Listen, Malcolm, don't freak out. I just want to come up here and visit me. Because we love this little pig. Is that's your spot right there, son? He said, yeah, I'm trying to eat it. Y'all are molesting my feed time.
Look at him. He's devouring it.
He's going to be a giant.
Look what my jaws are big.
Just imagine, man, having like 20 little ones like that running around. That'd be a sight.
He's got a big old, hey, them spots right there. That's weird.
Yeah, I thought it was blood. I don't know what it is. I think that's where he hits them boards in there and he tears the hide off. He's just my little board hog. That's what he is. He likes getting scratched right here.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
And on the brisket right there.
Here, son, you need to move.
He
it.
loves that, don't he?
You move yours, eyes.
You have to be careful about touching his face when he's eating. It's to give you a good pop of the teeth. He's a little tag. Well, y'all all have to do I'll have to do some research and see how much supplement to mix with a 50-pound bag of corn, and we'll have to start grinding feed. I'll do like 100 pound at a time or something. Oh, that is sensitive right there, ain't it, son?
He's like, quit, I'm trying to eat, you know it?
He's a good one. Alright, y'all, Micah's wanting to make him just a little bit of a cracked corn for his beans. So, we're going to adjust it. Alright, try it right there.
Okay, let me turn it on. Yeah.
What'd you say, Ma?
So why is doing that? How does it make them eat less?
Oh, it costs less because corn's cheaper. You just got to mix supplement in the feed. All right, guys. I think he done good on that.
That's perfect for beans.
Yeah, it is.